Hi everyone, welcome to my another session on React.js. Today's topic is conditional rendering. See, basically conditional rendering is like based on the conditions. You have an if condition or any condition. Certain elements will be rendered. So that's what conditional rendering is all about. And how do we achieve this in React? Because you have the JSX and all, right? So yeah. Uh, that's what it says. In React, you can create distinct components that encapsulate behavior you need. Then you can render only some of them depending on the state of your application. Conditional rendering in React works the same way. It works in JavaScript. Like use the if, so that condition, right? So this is an example of conditional rendering. So, so I think I'll take this, copy this. So as it says that this is please sign up, right? So these props are passed if it is logged in, user greeting, guest greeting, right? So by default, this would be this would be false, right? So that's what it's logged in. It's not there. So that's what it says. Greetings dot it's logged in. So you changed it to true. That's what it says. How does it work? Welcome back. So that's what it says. So you are greeting and you are passing the this parameter over here, and you are calling this function, and it is returning that user greeting, these functions and guest greeting. So that's what it's all about. You can use variable and store element. This can help. This can help the output doesn't change, right? So uh, so this is another example, right? When you log in, button is pressed, it gives logout. It's basically conditional rendering uh, uh, on the current state. It will render the greeting from the previous example. This is an extension of it. So inline if with logical end operator, right? So what it says is JXX, we have to have curly braces and all that. And if you do a end, this element will be rendered. If it is greater than 0 and it is an end, this is rendered. If it is false, it will not be rendered. That's what it essentially says. So can have you can have inline if else conditional operator, right? So this is the uh, so this is what it says. This is the inline if. This is there, show if height is false. So this is how the if is coded. Sure. This is what it is. It can do, right. This is a stated show on hide if it is true. If it is true, So by default it is hide, right? So if it is true, it is hide. By default it is hide, else it is show. If you click on that, yeah, other way, that's what it is doing. So another method is conditional rendering. It is conditional condition greater true false, right? So in the example, if it is logged in, it is if it is if it is true currently, and if it is false, it is not. So that's what we are doing over here. If it is this dot shaded show warning, it is hide. If not, show. So show warning by default it is warning banner. By default it is false, right? When you click on this, it gets true. So this is all about conditional rendering. We covered the if else condition and end operators, and similarly or would work, right? So that's what it is. It says. So that's what it was trying to say over here. So we'll quickly look at this example also. Hello, you had 300 messages, right? If this is not there anything, let us see what happens. Hello, that's it. So this is comes, but if it is this is nothing is there, then it is false. So this length is not greater than 0. Then we don't have messages, just hello, right? So that's what is there. So if it is let us make this less equal to 0, then you have no messages, right? So this will get executed. Normally less than 1. You have no messages, something like that. If you don't have, so this is basically conditional rendering. Based on this can be done. So with this we'll close this session, and we next time we'll cover the next other topics, and we'll finish it off. Thank you.